Have you ever struggled to find changes between two versions of a PDF? Maybe it's a contract, a project report, or even an assignment. Manually checking line by line takes hours and is really frustrating. But here's the good news. With Systweak PDF Editor, you can compare two PDFs in just a few clicks. Whether it's deleted text, replaced content, or newly added sections, everything is highlighted clearly so you don't miss a thing. Before we get into PDF comparison, let's look at another handy feature. Word count. Go to Tools, More Options, Word Count. Here you can choose to count words in all pages, only odd or even pages, or enter a custom range. Click on Get Count and instantly you'll see the total number of words and characters in your PDF. Let's now see how to compare PDFs. For this demo, let's use this PDF as a starting file. I'll quickly delete this part, then replace this section with a new line of text and also add some fresh content here. Now, let's save this as a new PDF file. We'll use this new file to compare against the original, so you can clearly see how the Compare tool highlights all the changes. Let's now compare them. First, open your old PDF file in Systweak PDF Editor. Now go to the Tools menu on the top bar, click on More Options, and then choose Compare PDF. Here you can see the current old file. To add the new file for comparison, just click on the plus icon and select the PDF you want to compare. Under Page Range, you can choose to compare all pages, only odd or even pages, or enter a custom range, for example, pages 3 to 7. Below this, you also have the option to include or exclude text and images in the comparison. The differences between the two PDFs are highlighted in three colors: red for deleted content, yellow for replaced content, and blue for inserted content. If you want, you can even change these colors by clicking on them and selecting new ones. Finally, click on Compare. In just a few seconds, both PDFs will open side by side with all differences clearly marked. For example, this text was deleted, so it's shown in red. This part was replaced, so it's marked in yellow. And here's the newly added text, highlighted in blue. There's also another method, Overlay Comparison. To use it, go back to the Compare PDF tool and select Overlay Comparison. Add your second PDF, choose the page range, set the comparison options, and click Compare. With Overlay Comparison, the changes are shown directly on top of each other in red, yellow, and blue, making it even easier to spot differences. And that's how simple it is to compare two PDFs with Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. It's a small click for you, but it keeps us going and brings more helpful content your way. Got a question or stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.